Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on replacing the end latch of your seat belt. As you can see, there's two wires that are connected to the airbag system broke off, so we're going to be replacing it, this whole thing. Wanted to see if we could try to solder those back, but after researching a little bit, I guess the airbag system needs to have a specific charge, so it's not a good idea to fix these cables. So we're just going to be replacing them. I didn't look for a code, but I think it was B0005, something like that. Didn't look for a code. I was like, there it is, it's broken, need to replace it. So this is the part number right here. Found it on eBay. Okay, it's OEM. For some reason in certain parts, certain websites, I couldn't get it shipped here, but on eBay for about $140. I don't know if you can probably use the SC model or the other models, but for the titanium it was $140. Okay, it's fairly simple to remove. Here's the part. Okay, the driver's side only has 2 cables. The passenger side has about 4 of them. All you need is a Torx, and then connect the cable, right? So what you need is a T60. We're going to be removing this, a T60, 55, sorry, T55. We're going to be removing the seat brackets back here. Sorry, the mess. So seat bolts right here. I already loosened this one up. That's one. Gotta move it all the way up. It's also recommended to disconnect your battery because of the airbag system. So we'll be doing that. We'll be doing that after. Give me one sec. Okay, so the battery will be disconnected after I get this removed because I have power seats. No power, I can't move the seat. And I need to move the seat in order to take those bolts off. Again, excuse me for the mess. Didn't have time to vacuum it. This here in the front, it has some covers on it. I just removed them with a flat screwdriver. Put it here and remove it. This covers here. Okay, just pop them off with the screwdriver. So it's 55 in the back. This one seems to be smaller. I believe it's a 50, which I have right here. Yep, front's a 50. Might be a little bit tight. Give me one second. Okay, here we go. It's loose. Okay, next one. 1 second. I'm gonna try to do it with both hands so I can go faster. But got it out. Okay, the seat's loose. Let's see. We're gonna move the seat back to the back. Move the incline to the front. Okay. Now we're going to be able to access the back bolt. Let's see. The bolt is right there. Okay, we're gonna be removing that bolt with the T50. So I'm gonna pause the video real quick. Get that done. Ooh, it's messy down there. Okay, so I got the bolt loosened up. Then we have this clip here. We're gonna pry it with the flathead. 1 second. Okay, so we remove that clip. Now it has another one. If you can see, yep, right here, and then it'll be the connection down over here. Okay, 1 second. Okay, so I got the other clip disconnected. So it's the bolt. One clip, second clip, and then the connector is that one right there. This one. Okay. So before I disconnect it, since this is has to do with the airbag system and everything, they recommend disconnecting the battery for about an hour. So I am going to do that, and I'm gonna leave it like this. So everything's already done, except for the plug. Now I'm going to do the battery, leave it for about an hour, come back, disconnect the plug, and connect the new one. So we'll go on a little pause here. Oh, here. Disconnect the battery. 10 mil. Got this one loose. Now for the negative. Let's see. I believe that to be maybe a 11. This size. It's not a 10, it's bigger than a 10. So 11. So I'm gonna look for an 11mm for this bolt back here. Disconnect. So battery is disconnected. Negative, positive terminal. Okay, it's about 320. We're gonna leave it for about an hour. Then we're gonna come back about an hour. And we'll disconnect the cable right there. Connect the new one. Put the clips back on. Put the belt back on. And that'll be it. And we'll have the new one on there. And we'll put the battery back. Move the seat around to put those bolts. And that'll be that. So we'll be back in about an hour. Alright, so it's been over an hour. And this is the connector right here. Right there. So we're just going to disconnect it now. And connect the next one. So I'll pause the video real quick so you can get 2 hands on it. Okay, so the way to remove it is actually that little clip on the side. Screwdriver. Just pull it up and it pops out. Okay. So now we'll connect the new one. Let's see. So we see the old one with the broken cables. Not bad, but can't fix those, so now we'll put the new one on. Okay, so this one goes here. Okay, this one goes here. That one there, the clip. This one where it goes right here. Right there. Okay. And then we connect these ends together. Okay, and I'll put a little bit of dielectric grease on it. Connect it. There, connect. Okay, everything's back now. Okay, everything's back in place. There's the cable. Let's see, where's my flashlight? Right. Be easier to see. So there it is right there. It's connected. Cable. There's the first clip right there. Second clip right there. Now we're going to tie it down. Again, it's the T50. Just go down. So it goes inside the little hole. So it says it should be tied to, I believe, 30 pounds. Throw it down to 30 pounds. Foot-pounds, but I'm just gonna give it a hand. Make sure I can get more than 30. Okay, so there it is. Back on, secured. All the cables connected. No, the whole cable connected. That's new, right? So now we just put the seat back in position, tie in those 4 bolts, and we'll be good. Just give me 1 second. Okay, so I have the seat back in position. Now we're going to tie in this front bolts. This is also a T50. I have a better Ratchet, but this is the first one I found. And I'm doing the other one. Leave it a little loose. That way, if I need to move it a little bit to put the back ones on, I should be able to. Okay. Now, since I can't reach the back ones, and I got no power because the battery's still disconnected, I'm gonna go connect the battery now. Okay, so now we'll connect the battery. We'll do the negative first. Do that and I'll be back. Okay, so battery's back on. Negative terminal back there. Positive. Tight. And it's secured. Put the bracket down here. Okay, so now that that's done, I should be able to move the seat forward. And the lights. Okay, seat's moving forward. Okay, seat's all the way forward. Now we need the T60. T55. Sorry. To do the bolts in the back. So they're lined up. Gotta start them by hand. Other ones lined up. Tighten this one all the way. There it is. Tight. Now we'll do the other one. Okay, that is tight. Now we go back to the front, tighten the front ones, put those covers back on, and it should be good. Tight. and cover back on. Okay, it's a little dark in here. Here it is. Okay. So now turn on the car.
Long as you live.
Sorry about that. Okay. So we'll put our seatbelt on. Seatbelt guy disappeared. Okay. So we had, I just took off my seatbelt. So we had the airbag guy, airbag light on there. There it is, airbag. Okay, turn the car on. Disappeared. Airbag guy off. And we got seatbelt on. Seatbelt off. Okay. So there it is, guys. That's how you change the end latch, giving you the airbag. Here it is, secured. Brand new, $140. Once again, here is that part number for you guys. Okay. So that's that for this video. Hopefully this helps you guys. Save you some money going to the dealership, paying off for the labor and parts. That should take about maybe 2-3 hours to get it done because of that 1 hour wait time. Since I disconnected the battery, now I just have to redo the time here. So we're gonna reset it to the GPS. There it is, 501. Okay. So we're good. You guys have a good one, guys. See you guys in the next video.